Living in Miami Beach has its perks: sunshine, ocean breezes, and beautiful coastal views. But that year-round heat and humidity can also mean high cooling costs. If your energy bills spike during warmer months, or barely drop at all, your windows could be a major factor. Outdated or inefficient windows allow heat to pour into your home, forcing your air conditioning system to work overtime. Upgrading to modern replacement windows is one of the most effective ways to lower cooling costs while improving comfort throughout your home. Here's how replacement windows make a real difference in Miami Beach. Blocking solar heat before it enters into sunny climate like Miami Beach, solar heat gain is one of the biggest contributors to rising indoor temperatures. Standard single-pane or older double-pane windows allow infrared heat from the sun to pass through easily. Modern replacement windows are built with low emissivity glass coatings that reflect infrared heat while still allowing natural light inside. This means your home stays brighter without the extra heat buildup. By blocking a significant portion of solar heat before it enters your living space, replacement windows reduce the load on your air conditioning system, helping lower monthly cooling costs. Improved insulation with double or triple panes. Replacement windows typically feature double or even triple pane glass. Between the panes, insulating gas such as argon is added to reduce heat transfer. This layered construction creates a thermal barrier between your indoor and outdoor environments. In Miami Beach, where temperatures often remain high, that insulation prevents outdoor heat from quickly penetrating your home. The better your windows insulate, the less your HVAC system has to compensate, which translates into energy savings over time. Reducing air leaks and drafts. Older windows often develop worn seals, warped frames, or small gaps that allow outside air to seep inside. Even small leaks can make a noticeable difference in cooling performance. Replacement windows are designed with advanced weather stripping and tighter seals. When professionally installed, they create an airtight fit that minimizes air leakage. By keeping cool air inside and hot, humid air outside, your home maintains more consistent indoor temperatures, reducing the frequency and duration of AC cycles. Managing humidity more effectively. Humidity plays a major role in how warm your home feels. When moist air enters through inefficient windows, your air conditioning system has to work harder to remove that humidity. Energy-efficient replacement windows help create a stronger barrier against outdoor moisture. This allows your cooling system to manage indoor humidity levels more efficiently, contributing to a more comfortable environment and lower overall energy use. Protecting interior spaces from UV damage. Replacement windows with advanced coatings also block a significant percentage of harmful UV rays. While UV protection primarily helps prevent fading of furniture, flooring, and decor, it also reduces heat buildup caused by direct sunlight. This added protection enhances indoor comfort while preserving your home's interior finishes. Long-term financial benefits. Lower cooling costs are one of the most immediate benefits of window replacement in Miami Beach. However, the savings don't stop there. Reduced strain on your HVAC system can extend its lifespan and decrease maintenance costs. Additionally, energy-efficient upgrades often increase property value, making your home more attractive to future buyers. In a competitive coastal market, modern, energy-efficient windows can be a strong selling point. A smart upgrade for Miami Beach homes. If your cooling bills feel excessive or your home struggles to stay comfortable, it may be time to evaluate your windows. Replacement windows offer a practical solution tailored to Miami Beach's hot, sunny climate. With advanced glass technology, improved insulation, and professional installation, new windows help create a cooler, more energy-efficient home. By investing in high-performance replacement windows, you're not just lowering your cooling costs, you're enhancing comfort, protecting your home, and making a smart long-term investment.